Okay guys, a quick video. Someone or a few people had concerns about the rivets that I was putting in the seat tracks. Got two pieces of metal, same thickness as the track and the flange that bolts to the floor of the car. Got a new rivet. You can see the rivet is nice and loose in there. It flops around. Now when you make a rivet, you're going to want to make it as tight as possible. I made this one a little floppy on purpose just to show how the rivet will function after it's been set. Okay, as you can see, I'm back over to my vise. I'm going to use the hammer and drive this rivet just like I did on the seat tracks. Alright, as you can see, the rivet is, there's no way I cannot move these pieces. Okay, it might be clamped by the two heads. I'm going to grind this head off to show that all the gap, that large gap I had inside the pieces, is now closed up. And with the head off, I still won't be able to move these pieces. I'm going to take my paddle wheel here. I'm going to grind that rivet that I just hammered down past the surface of this, so I'm all the way past the head into the other metal. So as you can see, I ground the head off down into the metal. Down, it's pretty deep. I've got down in there. You can't even see where the old, you can't even see where the rivet was put in there. It's so combined with this metal. And I can sit here and I can pull on this thing as hard as I can all damn day. You ain't gonna set that rivet any better than that. And I don't know how much force it's going to take, but I'm not strong enough to even think about moving that. So if you're concerned about that rivet, don't be.